Okay, welcome to day two. Today it's not a lot of talking to. Yesterday I was just showing everything. So this is what we've done. It's about 3 by 10 meters, so about 50 square meters. Not bad, not bad. We need to do more though, but I'm sure we'll catch up. So this is the wall. We had a bit of rain, and I hope you can see it. Wash it off a little bit, and then the bushes used to be all the way to about here. So some places more than 3 meters, some places less. Let's go with 3 meters by 10, 50 square meters. And then yeah, from here we're gonna go and we're gonna start this bush here quickly. So that is today. We're gonna finish it?
Yes.
We're gonna finish it. Anyway guys, let's do this. Okay guys, so we just want to show you a little bit how this is growing. So the roots basically run from, I presume, the main plant. I think this is the main plant. This is super dense and thick. And it runs from the main plant, makes these shoot-offs, and the shoot-offs have like growth shooting out everywhere. So this is a nice example. Yeah. You can see them. I don't know if you can see. There where it broke. So you can see the two shoots that came out. So what we're doing now is we are removing most of the roots, the big ones, but the main one we're going to leave. We're basically just going to chop it off and then go. We'll come back to that one. So from here I can see the trellis.
Yes.
Yes, the trellis. I can see the trellis starting here, but some of the split balls are already rotten away. It's being held. The whole trellis is being held up by the climbers. So we're just going to cut it off, get to the other side. We also notice a second retaining wall that side, but it only runs a couple of meters, then it stops. And yeah, but idea is to clean out the channel between the two walls all the way over to about halfway. I think that's for today. If we can do that, oh, that would be amazing. So yeah, what a bush, what an insane bush. Anyway, let's go around.
We just want to show you our little caterpillar that we found. Do you know what it is?
I have no idea what it is.
But if you look at my hand, if I have to put my hand there,
Bigger than your finger.
it's like bigger than okay, my hand. I don't want to go too close, but it's like the size of my finger.
We're finishing on day 2. We got a storm coming in, so we're going to call it. We haven't done what we want to do. We wanted to get from here to there, but we've chopped off the worst. We haven't taken it away, chopped it off. So I thought it was going to fall. It's actually holding up quite good, I guess, to be the best word. But I mean, guys, come on. Is there anyone? You always get these YouTube videos. First time grass cutting, 50 years.
Yes.
Really? Really? The grass is this tall, 50 years? Anyway, I challenge anyone out there that has a, let's say, more dense bush.
Yeah.
And you get also these guys with the bushes that have the fancy tools and what. We have a chainsaw that is barely holding on to life. But anyway, that's enough of day 2. Let's finish this, let's back up and
Enjoy the rain.
yes, enjoy the rain. Guys, like always, do that sub thing. I need the money.
Yes.
I want to plant more fruit trees and it's so bloody expensive. Anyway guys,
Okay.
have a good afternoon. We'll check it again.
Okay.
Yes. Okay guys, so you've seen us clear out a whole big patch of grass with all the leaves and branches and stuff on, and unfortunately it was a bit too much. We filled the whole outside of the, what do you call next to the road? So the road between us and the road. So we only have a day or two to get rid of it, and then the municipality will give us a fine, I guess. And so tomorrow we got someone coming, we'll take it away. So we can't cut more down because I don't want to mess up here, because we want to clean for Christmas at least, just a little bit, you know?
Christmas is in a few days.
So this is us calling it on this for now. We said 3 weeks leave to sort all of this out. So we do have a bit more time, and we've done a lot of the bad stuff today. It might not look like it, but the amount of bushes that branches we dragged out of this property is insane. But anyway, so I know that we did do a lot today, even though basically it's not where I wanted to be, but it's okay. Anyway guys, like always, please remember to do the like and subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you would have done, or what you suggest we do here once we removed all of this. Any suggestions would be awesome. And then yeah,
You guys have a great Christmas.
and then we'll see you just after. Before New Year's.
Before New Year's.
Right.
Okay.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye-bye.